What new Google and Microsoft brought to AI world? A couple days ago, probably 2 or 3, and this is May 22nd, 2025, when I'm recording this video, Microsoft and Google made a big announcements, which I really love. As a C-level AI strategy advisor, I am not tied up to any technology, and I'm always hard work on picking up the right ecosystem, right AI-powered solution for my customers. So last advancements coming from Microsoft and Google are really bringing me to this video. So the purpose of this video is to explain what enterprise and mid-sized companies can actually get out of it. Because there is a lot. First of all, more agents. Remember a year ago, Mark Zuckerberg said that there will be 3 AI agents per 1 person on this planet, which means it's going to be 1 billion of AI agents working in the background for us. And Microsoft and Google are committed to this. But not only to giving us an options to build those AI agents and construct them on a massive scale, but like Google Mariner, the project that the Google is going to launch will create agents autonomously, which means that if you let Google to look into your context, which I will tell you a little bit about, because not content is king, but context is king now. So if you let Google to look in your email, Google Drive documents, or your photos, it will learn your preferences and create agents that helps you to deliver more in automatic way, which means, for instance, it will predict the better Airbnb place in New York for you and find that automatically for you. So you don't have to really bother for searching, but it will be very precise in delivering that predicting location and Airbnb features because it understands your context. That's what is the huge advantage of that. Second, faster coding with higher quality. What I mean by that is developers can now deliver more higher quality code within a time window, which means that AI not only can correct the code written manually, it can do faster with less iterations, but it can also write the code with higher quality. That means in enterprise, you can test more solutions tailored towards your business than used to do that before. Low code, no code, it's blurred right now because if you don't have to write the code and somebody writes the code for you, it's still a code. So there is a code, it's not no code. But the way you create the code, it's different than it used to be. So we will see more apps coming, ideally, highly dedicated apps for one thing. Why? Because AI agents love precision. The AI agents that will be responsible for clearing your flow of your floor in an office, steering by your robot, will be different than the one that will be responsible for clearing the window, even using the same machine for that. Different agent, different jobs, which means that we should expect apps dedicated for one thing, not for many things. And AI from Microsoft and Google is on the way to deliver that. Third thing, it's context. There is a video on my channel explaining why context is king, not content is king. If you're interested, get in and check this out. So your context deliver less hallucinations. Quick example. Imagine you have specific number of orders for specific customers with specific issues and specific returns reasons. That's the context that is different in your company than your competition company. It's like your blood results are blood results, but are different for your mom and dad than yourself, or your brother, sister, or your significant others. So that context helps AI predict better results for you, which means better precision, less hallucination. So context is king. Both companies, Microsoft and Google, let you to connect the company data, your personal data, to AI models and fine-tune them on that. Which means that eventually you will have an artificial intelligence model that fully reflects your situation and your company situation, not like the whole world. And that was delivered. And that combined with a possibility to deploy AI models on your local computer, on your local infrastructure, bring us to the point when you can have that context and that precision in the safe environment. And that's what keeps OpenAI far away from the competition right now, because with Microsoft and Google, you can really control where your data is processed. Last thing but not least, it's all easy for non-engineer people. Obviously for coding and this kind of thing, you need some kind of technical skills. But more of these possibilities are now moved on the business side. So even the manager, I'm calling even the person without technical experience, can build that simple app. Like Microsoft Studio, for instance, lets you to build mobile apps or any apps with Power Apps with single prompt, simple question, which was never possible before. And now business can also build apps, which usually they need to ask IT for that. So that will create endless opportunities for business, but only those win that can get the context right. That's the game changer.